In aerospace missions, there is no margin for error. Extreme climates, severe temperature fluctuations, and prolonged operation in harsh environments continuously challenge every electronic system. True stability comes from the unseen key to protection. As a result, aerospace electronics require high-stability conformal coating, achieving moisture, dust, and corrosion resistance. iL500 Conformal Coating System, engineered for high-tech use, integrates vision alignment and precision path control, combined with multi-valves and a rotational mechanism, ensures complete coating coverage in high-density areas. In the final step, UV curing locks and ultimate protection. From ground-level manufacturing to space missions, a key step in safeguarding aerospace electronics